In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a collection. If you've saved items into a collection on Etsy and it's no longer needed, I'll walk you through how to remove it safely and quickly. I'll also point out a few things to watch for so you don't accidentally delete the wrong list. Start by opening Etsy in your web browser and signing in if you're not already. Look to the top right corner of the page for your account icon. That's the small avatar or profile circle that opens your personal menu. Click it to reveal your account options. From that menu, choose View Your Profile. This takes you to your public-facing profile page where your favorites and collections are organized. Give the page a second to load if your connection is slow. On your profile, locate the collection you want to remove. Collections are the named lists you've created within your favorites like gift ideas or home decor. Click the specific collection to open it and review what's inside, just to confirm it's the one you intend to delete. This is a good moment to double-check, especially if you keep several lists with similar names. At the top of the collection page, look for the Edit control next to the collection's name. It may appear as a pencil icon or a small settings or 3 dots button, depending on your device. Click that Edit control to open the editing options for this collection. In the Edit options, choose Delete this collection. Etsy will warn you before anything is removed. Read the prompt carefully so you understand what's about to happen. Deleting a collection removes the list itself from your profile. It doesn't affect your account or orders, and in most cases it doesn't delete the individual items from the shop pages where they originally came from. But the organized list you created will be gone. When you're sure you want to proceed, confirm by clicking Yes. Delete this collection. The page will update, and the collection should disappear from your profile. If you still see it after a few seconds, refresh the page to make sure the change has taken effect. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you can't find the edit icon, try widening your browser window or looking for a small menu near the collection title. On mobile, the controls are similar, but you may need to tap the 3 dots to reveal the edit option. And if you're not completely sure, you can cancel at the confirmation step and come back later. That's it. You've successfully deleted a collection on Etsy. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need to review a step.